Students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we'll see Standard 7th and Subject Science. In that chapter number 11, Transportations in Plants and Animals. In the previous video we have seen up to main 9. Today we'll see main 10. Match the following properly. Write the alphabet index of column B in the answer box, 2 marks. See the column A, stomata, xylem, root hairs, phloem, and column B, A, absorptions of water, B, transpiration, C, transport of food, D, transport of water, E, synthesis of carbohydrates. Now number 1, stomata. Stomata match with the B, transpiration. Number 2, xylem match with the D, transport of water. Number 3, root hairs match with the absorptions of water, A. Number 4, phloem match with the transport of food. Now we will see the next page. Now see the activities. That number 1, to find pulse rate in a resting person. See the procedure. Point 1, place the middle and index finger of your right hand on the inner side of your left wrist. Point 2, try to listen the throbbing movements in it. Point 3, count the number of pulse beats in 1 minute. Then point 4, record your own pulse beats per minute and those of your classmate. Now see the pulse rate. See the name is given. Name you have to given A, B, C, D and E. Now person name 74 per minute. It means in 1 minute. Person B 72 in per minute, 1 minute. Number C 75 in 1 minute per minute. Number D 74 per minute, E 77 per minute. Now see the conclusion is that a resting person usually has a pulse rate between 72 to 80 per minute. Means resting persons, those who are sitting not doing any work, that pulse rate is 72 to 80 per minute. Now see the number 2. To make a simple stethoscope, the doctor used that you have to make to simple stethoscope to measure heartbeats and pulse rate with the help of it. Apparatus and materials are funnel with a 6 or 7 centimeter diameter, a rubber tube. Procedure: take a small funnel of 6 to 7 centimeter in a diameter. Fix a rubber tube 50 centimeter long tightly on the stem of the funnel. Next point, stretch a rubber seeds on the mouth of the funnel and fix it tightly with a rubber band. Now see, put the open end of the tube on one of your ears. Place the mouth of the funnel on your chest near the heart. Now try to listen. See here. One hand on your heart and other hand on your ear. Now what you have to do? Count heartbeat in a 1 minute. In a minute. Count again after running for 4 to 5 minutes. Measure pulse rate also. Record your own pulse rate and heartbeat and that of your friends while resting and after running and record in. You have to record your pulse rate also of your heartbeat and your friend pulse rate also in a resting condition. Now see the heartbeat and pulse rates. Now see the number of students. Now see while resting, so A 74 heartbeat, pulse rate is 74, and after running 4 to 5 minutes, heartbeat is 80. It's increasing and pulse rate also increasing. Now see the student B. While resting, heartbeat is 72, pulse rate is 72, and after running 4 to 5 minutes, heartbeat is 82, pulse rate is 82. C. Person C. Heartbeat 75 and pulse rate 75 in a resting condition, and after running 80 and 80, it's increasing. D. Here also while resting is a 74, pulse rate also 74, and after running heartbeat 79, pulse rate 79. Person is 77 while resting, heartbeat, pulse rate is 77, and after running heartbeat is 82. It means its conclusion is that each heartbeat generates one pulse in the arteries, and the pulse rate per minute indicates the rate of the heartbeat. The number of the heartbeats and pulse rate are equal even in resting or in active running stage. Now see number 3, to show transportations of water through cells. In that apparatus and materials, glass, tumbler, water, red ink, a tender herb, example balsam, and a blade. Stem placed in a colored water and water moves up in the stem, be enlarged view of open and of the stem. Procedure: fill 1/3 of the glass tumbler with water. Add a few drops of red ink into the water. Next point is cut the base of the stem of the herb. Example, you have to give a balsam and place it in the glass. Keep it overnight and observe it the next day. Now see the next page. Cut the stem across and observe red color inside the stem. Observation is that veins of leaves appeared red in color, narrow tubes inside the stems appeared red. Conclusion is that water moves up in the stem conducts water just like the red ink. Minerals dissolved in water move up through narrow tubes, xylem, inside the stem. Here your chapter is completed, and we will see the next chapter, chapter number 12, in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.